Welcome back, folks. So we had a request come in for our cocktail. That was from my great cousin, Teresa Ann. And Teresa Ann requested a Pimm's cup. So went off, did some research on Pimm's cup. And hey, if you're enjoying these, the videos we're making, if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. It really helps us out and we appreciate it. So, but in doing a research on a Pimm's cup, I ran into a lot of problems because everybody has their variation, their idea, their thoughts on what a Pimm's cup is. But the only constant in the whole recipes I read is there's a cup and there's Pimm's. Okay, what's Pimm's? Pimm's is a British liqueur that is gin-based. It's been around 1840. Holy smokes, they're doing something right. I remember the first time we had Pimm's a couple of years ago. It was like, oh my gosh, where have you been all my life? It's that good. Okay, so now we've got Pimm's in a cup, and now we got everything else that could go in it. Some people use a lemon lime soda like Sprite, and that's actually what we're going to use tonight. Some people use ginger ale. Some people use ginger beer. Some people use lemonade, and Fever Tree, which is another British brand, makes these great mixers, whether it's tonic waters, whether it's sparkling pink grapefruit, blood orange ginger beer. Their quality is top notch. Yes, it costs a little bit more, but you get what you're paying for. So I was like, okay, well, how the heck do I make this where it's easiest for most people? So we're going to use Pimm's and Sprite, 7-Up, a lemon lime soda of your choice. Okay. We use a British pub glass because this is a drink that's meant for summer and being outside. It's kind of low alcohol. I mean, it's 25% by volume, so you can have a little bit more of it. So we're going to go in with 2 to 3 ounces, and kind of you're looking for color. See the color of that cocktail? If you put too little in, it'll be a little thin. If you put too much, it'll be too dark. And then Sprite. So there's a little trick that if you pour your soda down the bar spoon, it doesn't fizz as much. It still fizzes, but you see how it happens. It doesn't get all crazy all over the place. So stir that around. This is really the only tool you need is a long spoon. This is a bar spoon. You could just use a regular spoon. It's just easy that way. And that's it. Garnish it. Holy smokes. As many versions of mixers there are with Pimm's, there's as many garnishes. Strawberries and berries and oranges and all this kind of stuff. Find something you like. But the Pimm's cup, that's pretty close to what it should look like. Now, the rest is up to you. You figure out how you like your Pimm's. It's highly recommended, especially in the summer. Cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That is absolutely perfect. Make it prettier, have fun. Cheers.